affiliate marketing for beginners in 2024. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing platform, pay attention to this video. It's gonna save you tons of time and also going to make you money at the long run. Okay, you're going to be able to avoid the mistake I've made as a beginner in affiliate marketing. Pay attention to what I'm about to tell you right now. If you want to start affiliate marketing as a beginner, number one you need to do is for you to first of all research your niche. After you have searched your niche, and then you find out what work for you, because there are many affiliate marketing programs outside there. Okay, the one I would recommend for you as a beginner is for you to sell digital product, which is informational product, because a lot of persons buy informational products every single day, all right, on Google. Okay, now if you're in Africa or in Nigeria, the best I would recommend for you to start with is Digitstem affiliate marketing. Now let me show you. In Digitstem affiliate marketing platform, I've been able to generate $145 in less than a month. And why do I like it? I like it because of their course. They call the UMM course. Let me show you how the course is. I will click on the learning field. Okay, and this is the course. Now when you go through this course, you understand social media marketing, Facebook ad, Instagram ad, YouTube ad. Okay, you learn conversion, you learn organic means as well. Okay, after you have gone through this course, do faceless video, post it on TikTok for you to get traction, talking about what you have learned from this particular course. Website called Simtasia, use it to create faceless content. Okay, it's just like AI, talking AI, but it's not gonna be your face. You're also going to post it on Instagram, also post it on YouTube for you to start getting people, and use prompts, okay, to generate the video content and create it and start to post it on your social media handles. By the time you start getting sales, you can now start running Facebook ad, Instagram ad to promote more of your offer. And that is how I do it. Okay, so I always recommend people, if you are starting newly, go for high course, go for a course that is going to show you what affiliate marketing is all about, so that after you have gone through it, you pretty understand everything. Or because when you have diverse knowledge as a digital marketer or affiliate marketer, okay, it makes money come to you very easily. If you have any question about Digitstem or about affiliate marketing, feel free to comment below. Okay, I'm also going to drop my website link and then how to connect with me on WhatsApp for any question you have, or mentorship, or for guiding you through. Okay, bye for now, peace out.